Yo, what's up guys, it's Mental Dude, and today we're going to be doing another double review. Yes, and in case you are wondering, yes, there are more sets to do. I just decided to do marks. Yeah, so first off we have this little helicopter, which is actually a transformer, similar to the last ones. Yes, so basically we've got some guns on the front, tail rotor, rotor on the top. I've got to be careful because, well, that's to the side of me. Yeah. Just ignore that. Yeah. Okay, so let's transform it. So first off, you want to pop this off. Lift this whole thing up. Flip the guns around like so. Right then. Take the first arm and pop it into here. Make sure not to accidentally pop other bits off. You then pop this bit onto here, and you also take the tail rotor and pop it onto here. Crap. Yes, and then move these down so that you get that. Okay, so let's just move these into a better position. You then take the legs and pop them onto here and here. Then finally you take the head. Okay, so then there is. But we'll do a size comparison at the end. Next up we have this, which is a sort of mech, which yeah actually works. Okay, so we're actually going to angle this up slightly just so it works. Okay, so I bet you're wondering, well, you say it's an actual working mech. Well, figure, you can actually open up the chest, like so. That does look kind of scary, and you just put the figure in like so. The legs aren't that strong, I should say that. Yeah, and just close it up around the minifigure. Isn't the best grip, and then you just bring these forwards, and yeah. So yeah, basically we got two legs and two arms. We got some swords here, some cannons here. We've even got a stud shooter, which yeah, like so. Which yeah, is kind of neat. This would be a bit. Okay, legs, the foot's come off and it won't reattach. Yeah, there. Okay. Size comparison time. Me. Dilophosaurus. A T-Rex. And just for convenience sake, I'm going to move this out of the way. And we're actually going to be comparing the others. Yes, the other transforming things. Also, I just noticed what this looks like. Bit phallic. Oh, actually, why have I never thought about doing that? Actually, doing that does make it look kind of cool. Yeah, just, he's very well endowed, let's just say that. Complete accident. Yeah, he is definitely the shortest out of the three. Yeah, he is definitely the shortest. Okay, this is Mental Dude signing off. Bye.